Hello everyone, welcome to the Bdthemes widget tutorial. Today we'll introduce you to the Florence Carousel widget brought to you by Ultimate Store Kit. The Florence Carousel is actually a product slider widget developed to display your e-commerce store products with a colorful portrait view. The widget adds product badges as well as Add to Cart button, Quick View button, and Add to Wishlist button on top your product image. As soon as a visitor hovers on the products, they will see a double image of the product as well as additional image hover effect. For the rest, the product title also comes with hover effects. The pricing is shown below every product, which eventually changes into rating when hovered. The carousel is equipped with sleek navigation systems to let people navigate easily. This is our demo page containing lots of stylish variants of our product carousel galleries using the Florence Carousel widget. Just check them out and see how they function. Now let's see how to optimize the carousel from the editor window. First, let's drag and drop the widget inside the page editor. This is the default layout of the Florence Carousel. From the options, you can customize the number of columns to be displayed. Let's pick 2 for now. Then you get the item gap, scroll bar and alignment option for the content. Just check the alignments and select what you prefer. Then you can go for the custom image size option. Now let's go back to the 3 columns view. Next, the query section lets you select the product source for the carousel as well as limits the number of entries on the display. The include/exclude field is for displaying or hiding specific items on the carousel. Let's pick terms on the include field and type in a category name below. After selecting, the carousel will only show the selected category products. Then you can choose to display all products or on sale or featured products. Also, you could turn on the switches to hide free and out of stock products from displaying. Just turn them on and see. Next, the additional section is full of switches to control the visibility of the on-screen features like title, category, rating, etc. For example, we can turn off the category switcher to make it vanish from the carousel. Then comes the badge section where you can keep or remove product badges using the switchers. Here, you can also set the number of days the new badge will be showing on the products. Next comes the action buttons like Add to Cart or Wishlist. They are visible upon hover. You can keep them or hide them as you wish. In the navigation section, you'll find couple of navigation styles to place your carousel, like arrows, dots and combinations. Then you can set the position of the navigation on the display. Also, there are 23 unique arrowhead styles available to choose from. The switcher here hides the arrows on mobile devices. Next, the Carousel Settings section has animation controls to further customize the function of the carousel, like how you can switch between carousel and cover flow layouts. Then you have the loop, animation speed, and more controls like this. Now let's pick into the style part of the widget. First, let's pick a gradient color for the image background. You can change the gradients to apply the effect you are looking for. Then change the gradient type to radial and adjust the color location for more detailed work. Just like that, the background looks nice. You can also set the position as well as add border radius around the background. A little bit is enough for this carousel. Then you can apply padding to squeeze in the image as much as you want. just enough to blend it well with the gradient background. There's also an option for box shadow available here. Let's jump into batch customization. Let me stretch the editor a bit. Yup, now here you can add some border radius to make the edges circular. Next, let's customize the action buttons by going into the section and changing the colors. A combination of black and white does the job. You can also set the hover color for the background. Same way, all three action buttons can be customized. Let's hover and see if we got the effect correct. After that, let's go to the navigation section and apply a matching background color to the arrows. Also, make the arrows white. Then from below, let's add 100 values in border radius and some padding to shape up the arrow into a fine looking interface. Then you can set the hover color for the arrows. A deeper color tone would mix well. When that's done, you can set a nice border around the arrows to make them glow more. And then adjust the offset values to blend them inside the content area. Now that's how you make a professional product carousel using the Florence Carousel widget. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you next time.